Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking skincare routine. Pero bagong lahat, gusto ko na rin i-share sa inyo kung saan ko nakuha itong mga fake nails na to. As you can see, may tanggal ng dalawa. Pero okay lang, super sulit na siya because it's only 35 pesos. Ang dami ko nga binili. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, this is the one that I'm currently wearing. So, may kasama na rin siyang glue, pero hindi ko na-try yung glue na to kasi ito yung ginamit ko, yung kasama na glue dito. Ito naman ay 100 pieces na siya, guys. Oh. Though, nung tinry ko to, medyo ayoko siya. Kasi, super haba niya and parang ang bigat sa feeling. Pero itong mga tong sinishare ko sa inyo, ayan, ang ganda. Very wearable. Ayan. So, pag Pasko, ayan, meron akong masusuot. O, girly-girly. Ayan. O, tapos ito, o. Social lang. Tapos ito, dark blue and white. Ayan. So, this is available at Moynail. Moynails or Moynail? Anyway, lalagay ko na lang yung screenshot ng shop niya sa Shopee. Ito yan. And lalagay ko na rin sa description box below. Napakaganda, diba guys? Very sulit na para sa presyo niya. Lalo na kung may mga events kayo pupuntahan and ayaw nyo nang lumabas at manicure, pedicure. Ayan. Though ito natanggal ko to kasi konti lang nalagay ko ditong glue eh. Ito yung nalaglag eh. Kaya expected ko na matatanggal to kagad. Pero ayan oh. So far so good. Nakaigo na ako, nakahugas na ako. Ayan. Pero nandiyan pa rin siya, di ba? Except nga ito dahil nga, yun nga, na kulangan sa glue talaga yan. Anyway, so, magsimula na tayo. Ito yung aking skincare routine. Morning skincare routine. So, hey guys! Good morning! So, of course, let's start the day by brushing our teeth. And then I'm gonna show you this mouthwash that I really love, which is the Colgate Total Mouthwash. So, it's alcohol-free. And it has 10 benefits, and one of it is its 10 times cooling effect, which is really something I was looking for in a mouthwash. So this product is really a big check for me. Big thanks for Try and Review for giving this to me and letting me try this product. And this one is the Underarm Whitening Mist from B-Line Skincare. You can also buy it as a set, which comes with a scrub and a cream, or you can just buy it as it is. What I like also about this mist is it has glycerine, niacinamide, and glycolic acid. Next is this skincare set. Is a sample of what would be HERSKIN's new product, and I'm so happy that I'm one of the first people who got to try it. It's actually my 4th day already of using this product. First is this foaming cleanser. Apply 1 or 2 pumps of the foam into your palms and gently massage it to your face in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and use it as often as needed. Next is this essence toner. So after washing your face with foaming cleanser, moisten a cotton pad with the essence toner and gently wipe it all over your face and neck. And next is this water gel hydrator, which is actually my favorite in this set. So after your cleansing regimen in the morning or even at night, apply a small amount of HERSKIN water gel hydrator and evenly massage on the skin. Allow it to be absorbed completely. not the least is this Tone Up Cream. Protect your skin by applying the HERSKIN Tone Up Cream with SPF 30. Put it 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure. So now I'll be applying very minimal makeup. So now I'm brushing with this spoolie, and now I'm gonna be using this pencil for my eyebrows. As you can see, this is my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil from the Face Shop. And again, I'm just gonna brush it off so that it could be tamed down a little bit. I won't be applying any eyeshadow anymore, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. So this mascara is a Total Temptation from Maybelline. I really love applying mascara because it really brings life and brightens your eyes more. And next is this tint for my lips. And there you have it. So last but not the least is this V-Line Skincare Diamond Glow Lotion with SPF 50++. So it's actually formulated to even out skin tone, boost collagen production, and nourish the skin. It also provides a broad spectrum protection from the sun's harmful rays using organic and inorganic sunscreens, and helps prevent premature aging on skin. Always remember that SPF is your skin's BFF. So there you have it. I'm all set.
So, ayun nga yung skincare routine ko. So, meron V-Line, tsaka HERSKIN. Yung sa HERSKIN, yun yung bagong ilalabas nila. Yung nakita yung ginagamit ko kanina is only the sample packaging. Hindi pa yan yung packaging niya talaga. Sis, gagawa ako ng separate video pag na-release na and pag nasa kamay ko na ang talagang legit na packaging niya talaga. So, ayun lang naman. Abangan nyo yun, guys, sa HERSKIN. And para mag-updated na rin kayo, follow nyo na rin ako sa Shopee ko and sa Facebook page ko, KathFinds. Ito yung mga screenshot. Ayan, para once na lumapag na at onhan na sa akin ang bagong set ni HERSKIN, pwedeng-pwede kayo maka-avail sa akin agad-agad mismo. So, yun na nga guys ang aking morning skincare routine. And if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be updated for more videos. And if kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to, please do click the thumbs up button. Yan lang naman. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!